All right, so easily clean every corner. Cordless vacuum cleaner. Again, special thanks to this company for sending this to me. There doesn't seem to be anything on the bottom, just a nice handle on top. The side, one click empty, 2500 milliamp hour times 7 battery, brushless motor, 3 suction adjuster. This side's got some features. So it's the KCV01 model, 250 watt motor, 80,000 high-speed rotations every minute. Pretty amazing. Battery lasts about 40 minutes per charge. Simple and clear display screen. Unique standing design. Designed to stand on its own. Nice. Let's open this on up. All right, open. Ooh. Gotta lay it down. Oh yeah, that's a little different. I like. Everything is neatly laid out. We have user's manual here and installation instructions and all the pieces. So some screws and wall mounts. That's a cleaning brush. That is the charger to charge the battery. That is one of the cleaning heads. Just snaps right on. Another cleaning head. And this looks like a nice extension bar. That's the main bar. And this looks like the crevice tool. Yep, crevice tool. And underneath is all the really important stuff. So here is the main part of the vacuum. Battery slides in right here. You got your trigger down here. One release button right there, and everything clips right into here. Very nice design. Love the little screen on top there. What else we got? Foam, the heavy duty bottom brush, the one for really vacuuming your house, and the one that will lock into place. So very nice. You got 3 LEDs on the front, nice spin motor there, little tiny wheels, very nice. Then we've got an extra air filter, even though you don't have to have this. A wall mount if you want it, you know, to mount the accessories on it. That's what those screws are for. And then this is, of course, the battery. Nice little logo on it there. And then this, that's it for the box. I'm gonna move the box. And then this just slides right into place there, and you're able to plug in right here to charge it. And then this button ejects it out. So, green juice. We do. Wow. All right, we're gonna get all of this put together so we can show you this in its final form. All right, so essentially to use the main part, you of course just take this side and plug into here. Clips into place, nice. Now you can use this to extend it. That goes actually pretty tall, it's nice. Or all the way down. And then of course, this one just goes right into the bottom. I love that they have these nice buttons to release them. And now everything flows through this. Like that's done. And we do got a little screen there. Look at that. So medium, high, low. There we go.